Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. So for today, we're looking at CAD yen, right? And on a 4-hour charts, and one of the first thing I notice is that there's a nice descending resistance line that lines up levels here very nicely, and price seems to be testing this level right about here. Now, the significance of this level actually goes all the way back to this particular level over here, right? So it's actually not only a descending resistance, but it's also a pretty nice resistance that comes all the way back to here. So there are two levels that is testing this, testing it over here now, right? If we zoom in a little bit and we draw a Fibonacci retracement, we notice that it is testing this 78.6% retracement here, right? And it could be testing a certain projection level, right? I think it is the 127. Yep, it's testing the 127. It's testing the 127 Fibonacci projection this way. It's testing the 78.6% retracement from here to here, right? So a couple of nice levels there, right? The next key graphical level would be about over here. Okay, so if I play a trade from here, I'm going to put this as my stop loss, right? I'm going to put this as my entry, right? I expect price to be reversing right from here, right? And minimally, we can, if you don't, we could play the move all the way down, right? Or we could play, we because our risk reward is quite good, we could just play it down to maybe here, right? As a take profit. Okay, it's worth looking at, right? It's worth considering that we have a very good risk to reward here, right? I think it's about 1:3 or 1:4. So if you catch the move, it'd be great, right? I do think there is something like a channel over here. So it seems like we might be seeing something of a kind of channel resistance kind of thing, right? On top of this descending resistance. So quite a high probability kind of trading setup we can use. The entire retracement of this move, right? If I'm not wrong, um, is just about slightly below the 50%. Not that nice, but yeah, it's worth looking at. Okay, so yeah, this will be one of the key setups we're looking for today. We're looking to play the drop on CAD yen. We're trying to play a drop below 91.17 with a stop loss at 91.52 and a take profit at 89.99. Or actually, if you just move it up one bit, it's 90. Yeah, it's at the 90 level. Okay, so that's it for me, guys. I hope you found this video useful, especially the way you break down the analysis, right? Break down the setup. Right? I hope you find it useful, right? And remember to stay safe and trade safe, guys. Catch me again tomorrow as we look at more high probability trading setups using advanced technical analysis.